Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. I come with these wild math questions. There are 2 questions and try to solve by your own and comment your answer to feature in our shortcut list. Coming to the question number 1, what we have 3 minus 3 divided by 3 divided by 3. So we will write the PEMDAS. First, there are actually minus and subtraction and division operations. So first we will do this division operation, and in that case first we have to solve from this. Okay, not like this, like 3 minus 3 which equals to 0 divided by 3 divided by 3 0 divided by 3 that is equal to 0. This is the wrong way. Okay, we have to solve this part 3 divided by 3 first. We will write again 3 minus 3 divided by 3 divided by 3. First we will solve 3 divided by 3 which equals to 1. Our question will be 3 minus 1 divided by 3. Again there is nothing but 3 minus 1 divided by 3, just like that. Or we can write, taking LCM here, 1 3 into 3 minus 1 into 1 here. Again 3 times 3 that is equal to 9. 1 minus 1 that is equal to 1 by 3. Or we can say 9 minus 1 that is 8 divided by 3, which is the right answer. Okay, coming to the next question. 4 times parenthesis 4 minus 4 plus 4. We will write again the PEMDAS. First we have to solve this parenthesis part. So 4 minus 4 which equals to 0. So we will write 4 into 0 plus 4. And again 4 times 0 which equals to 0. So here 0 plus 4. So 0 plus 4 is nothing but 4. So your right answer is 4. And try to solve these videos and subscribe channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.